Installation Guide. The first step is to connect it to a USB-C power source and let it charge for 6 to 12 hours. Charging is indicated by a red light. Press the reset button, which is accessible through the hole next to the USB-C connector. You will hear a beep. Your QUAKECORE is now in configuration mode. Connect to the QUAKECORE AP network near your QUAKECORE device. This network does not require a password. Next, open a browser and manually enter the address http://192.168.4.1. You must select a radio zone. Very important to choose the zone of the country of installation carefully. Now make sure you have properly saved your activation key. Select the home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password in the dedicated field. You must create an account on the service https://app.quakecore.com. In the form, enter an email address. This will allow you to receive a code required for your registration. Once this code is entered, choose a password and accept the terms of service. Click on Start Device Onboarding to add your device. Now enter the serial number in the pack from QUAKECORE Setup. The serial number is the first string, pack is the second. Go to the dashboard and see your QUAKECORE on the main board. Install the two small stickers on the back to stabilize the device. The installation of QUAKECORE must be done on a vertical wall.